I've been looking up this amazing organism, which by the way is very hazardous to your health. It's called Cladosporium, but you and I know it as black mold. And it's caused by moisture buildup. And that is mostly thanks to the humble shower. You see, when you have a shower, hot, damp air mixes with cold air in the bathroom, and the result is steam. And that steam causes foggy mirrors, peeling paint, and our old friend Cladosporium. Now, the very best way to stop steam in your bathroom is to prevent it from being generated. And for that, you need a steam stopper. It stops steam in there getting out here. It separates the hot, damp air from the shower from the cold air in the bathroom. Steam simply can't be generated, so you can say goodbye to misty mirrors, no more peeling paint, no more mold. There are 4 different shapes to fit different types of shower. And you can either do the install yourself or get it done by the pros. What makes Steam Stopper so much better than the competition though, is that it can be removed anytime you want. See, it's not screwed in. It rests securely on a frame, so you can just slide it out. Grab a sponge, warm water, and you're done. No more water worries with Steam Stopper. Go online or give them a call.